turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. With a flathead screwdriver, loosen the hose clamp from the air inlet conduit. Once freed, separate the inlet conduit from the airbox. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 30mm torque socket, unscrew the 4 holding screws on the air filter flange. Don't try to take them out. They stay in their housing even if they're not fixed in. Once fully unscrewed, lift the flange off and put it to one side. Take out the air filter. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Replace the flange. And rescrew the 4 holding screws. Put the air inlet conduit back in place. And finish by fixing the hose clamp. Operation completed.